Hi everyone, and welcome to our first look at the brand new MAXUS eDeliver 7, the future of electric vans. As you can see, this is a stylish van, but don't let its looks fool you. As standard, you get LED headlights and you get this closed off front grille that gives it a modern and sophisticated look. You also get these nice alloy wheels. Your wing mirrors come integrated with blind spot monitoring. But don't let this van fool you with its design, because it actually is quite a powerful workhorse, and it's rated for a 3.5 ton gross weight capacity, which means that translates into 1,135 kilos in payload at the back here. And as you can see, the space is actually quite big, which means that you can fit a lot of stuff in there. You get a side door standard, and the good thing about this van is that it's fully electric and has a range capacity of 230 miles, which is more than enough if you're delivering all day. We also have two rear doors, which means that it is also quite practical. Probably the best thing about this van is the fact that this cabin, it's more car-like than any other van that I've sat in. So you've got nice comfy seats, a nice comfy steering wheel, plenty of soft touch materials and premium materials, some nice stitching across the van. There's also some chrome edging, some gloss black, which gives it that premium feel. And you've got also quite a lot of technology. You've got this huge touch screen, which will turn right on. And as you can see, it's quite responsive and comes integrated with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and it comes packed with a lot of safety features as standard to keep yourself and your cargo safe at all times. So if the eDeliver 3 is too small for you and the eDeliver 9 is too big, then this will be your perfect van. And if you want to test drive it, you can book it today. So visit our website on www.rivervale.co.uk to book yours today.